passionate about sustainability and ethical living.
I'm an artist and designer that works in machine learning and artificial intelligence.
I want to create a safer and better environment.
I'm a mentor, an author, and an explorer and lover of this great world.
A car that has zero emission is right up my alley. It's something that I would want.
We're going to have electric engines in the future. I don't think that is at all a premium discussion. That is for everyone.
I want all of this to still be here in 20, 30, 50,000 years. It's small choices every day.
For me, technology has always been sort of a sandbox to play in. I think about how do you take what's happening inside of programming and sort of articulate it into an easy to understand interface for the everyday person.
How do I holistically live in the world in a way that's good for me, but that's also good for others and then good for the planet?
I think that is our purpose in life, is to leave the planet better than we found it.